My name is Kevin Frost. I'm with the Industrial Technology Training Center in Mount Pleasant, Texas, part of the Northeast Texas Community College. In 2011, college was approached by local business and industry about a need and workforce need for skilled workers and maintenance workers here in a local community. And that led to the creation of our Industrial Technology Training Center and the programs that we have now.
My name is Andres Ruiz. I am the teaching assistant for the Industrial Technology program with Kevin Frost. I was brought on in 2015 to help with the big enrollment influx that we had. It allowed this program to be open from 8 in the morning to 9 at night.
Since the beginning of the program in 2011, we've been able to add on additional certificates, a CNC operator certificate, robotics automation programming certificate, and we also have a 2+2 agreement where all of our courses here count toward your bachelor's at UT Tyler. One of the first programs in the state of Texas to take a workforce program where we're actually working toward your bachelor's in industrial technology, and that's with a minor in business. We started out with just doing workforce training and college courses and college students to be trained for the local business and industry. With just 3 years after the creation of the program, we've added the additional certificates, but we also service training and retraining of students and workers that are on the clock here alongside with our college students, as well as dual credit students from 4 or 5 different high schools in the area. One thing that stands us apart is that we offer every class every semester. This semester, for instance, we have 31 sections of courses. Every course that's offered in our program for all 4 of those certificates is offered in fall, spring, and summer. So anytime a business or industries want to send workers here, we have that opportunity to create flex students for entry. Those students also, they work at their own pace. You don't have to work on all 4 courses at once. They'll work on their first one, they boot camp it, stay on task, eat, sleep, and breathe it until they complete it, and then they go on to the next course. Each individual student's required to do their own work and perform their own task, and that's what makes them valuable to employers.
All of this equipment here, all this amateur equipment has been incredible for our students here. They have to do the online curriculum first. They have the pre-test, then they have the launch, which in the launch they have the curriculum that teaches him or her the equipment. Once they do that, then they have their final test. Once they've completed the appropriate amount of tests, then they can go on to the trainers. On the trainers, it's 100% hands-on. We have a book that the student will use that has the hands-on skills, and then they perform the skill. For example, motor control, it has around 135 skills. Provides so much information, and it's also one of the biggest classes that we offer that companies in general would want their employees to know.
Tech Labs has provided us great service. They sell good quality equipment, but the online curriculum and the availability of the curriculum online and the virtual trainers was a selling point. They're able to tell us about new academic trends, new things that are being developed, not only for education, but that are specifically for placing workers and getting them skilled and upskilled to be able to do the jobs and the things that's coming in the future. They're up to date on all the new trainers and the curriculum that gets updated. But one thing we're just talking about just in passing is some CNC curriculum that they have in Amatrol now that we didn't have before. And so it was part of a subscription. So that's something that we can use now. And so it fits our model to where they do their online anywhere, come here to do the hands-on, and it has the virtual piece to it as well.
It's always great to hear our students are doing really good. Our students tend to come back. They talk to our current students. They get to find out where all of this can take them to. If they put the effort into it, they dedicate themselves to their studies, they can go anywhere to work. Doesn't have to be local. They can go in any big city, make the money that they want.